Dr. Sunil Kathuria, head of the Department of ENT and Cochlear Implant Program at Batra Hospital. Yes, definitely surgery for snoring is there, and most of the snorings can be controlled and treated by surgical procedure. First, we have to find out a possible reason for the snoring, and after detailed investigations, once we find the reason for the snoring, then we go ahead and plan the surgery. Routine surgery which is done for it is palatopharyngoplasty, commonly called as UPP, uvulopalatopharyngoplasty. In this surgery, we just shorten the soft palate so that person can breathe, and the common cause of snoring, which is the falling off of the soft palate touching the base tongue, that is controlled.